to be going over simplifying expressions by using order of operations. I already have written down my order of operations. A way you can remember this is by remembering the acronym, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, or PEMDAS. The reason why I have multiplication, division, addition, subtraction together is because multiplication, division, there's no particular order. Just because you see the M here first doesn't mean that's the first thing you automatically solve. It's whatever is on the left side first, that's what you solve. So going from left to right. So let's say you have a division problem first. That means that you're going to solve that first, not multiplication. And the same goes for addition and subtraction. Just because you see addition here first when writing out PEMDAS doesn't mean that that's necessarily the first thing you're going to solve in your expression. Again, it's first come, first serve. That's just something that I like to say so I can remember this. First come, first serve. So I can remember that rule. Again, we have parentheses. We have exponents. We don't really look into that in 5th grade. Multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So I'm going to go over a problem together. I'll write down, let's go ahead and do 6 times parentheses 3 plus 8 times 6. Very simple problem. So using PEMDAS, we should be able to solve whatever's in parentheses first. So we see we have a lot of numbers within our parentheses. We have 3 plus 8 times 6. Okay, so what would come next? I know that all of these numbers are within parentheses, but what would come after parentheses? We have multiplication and or division. Do we have any multiplication or division? We do. We have multiplication. So we're going to go ahead and solve for that. We're going to underline what we're solving for. Very important that you do that. Now we're going to rewrite another important step, rewrite the whole expression. 6 times, I'm going to rewrite my parentheses. 3, because I'm not done with the numbers inside of the parentheses, plus 8 times 6 is 48. Close parentheses. Okay, so I'm done with multiplication, division. Next is addition or subtraction. Do we have any of that? Yes, we do within our parentheses. That's the last thing that's inside that parentheses. 3 plus 48, I know that's 51, so I'm going to rewrite it. 6 times 51. So that's the last thing we actually have. And if you can't do this in your heads, which I can't either, that's okay. You can solve on the side, away from your upside down triangle. We don't want to get confused. 51 times 6. 306. Going to write 306, and I'm going to box it because I know that's my answer. So we have a second problem that we're going to be solving. We have 48 divided by 6 minus 8 plus 6. And I already wrote out my order of operations, PEMDAS, parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, and then addition, subtraction. All right, so what do we solve for first? Do we have anything for parentheses? No, nothing for parentheses. No exponents. Do we have any multiplication or division? No multiplication, but we do have division. So I'm going to underline that. 48 divided by 6 is 8. And now I'm going to rewrite everything else that is not underlined. Minus 8 plus 6. Okay. Do we have any addition or subtraction? We actually have both. But remember our saying, first come, first serve. Whatever comes first on the left side of the expression is what we're solving for first. So we have subtraction first. So we'll solve that first. 8 minus 8, we underline it, is 0. We're left with plus 6. So the only thing left to do is to add 0 plus 6 It is 6. I box my answer, and we're done.